Hello everyone! Today let's make coconut milk prawn fry. This is not your usual prawn fry. This one is a bit creamy and saucy and absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get cooking. For this recipe, in a small bowl, add about 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, some chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, pepper powder, and some salt to taste. We'll add a splash of water and make a paste out of the masalas to make sure we fry them without burning them. Make a good paste out of it. It should look something like this. Then in a pan, add some coconut oil, add some curry leaves, some chopped green chillies, and the masala paste that you had made earlier, and fry it in the oil on a very low flame. Let the masalas cook and lose their raw smell and taste. Once that is done, let's add the cleaned and deveined prawns. Coat this well with the masalas in the pan and cook for only about 5 minutes or until you see the prawns nicely curled up together, because prawns cook very soon. They need only about 5 minutes in the pan and they are done. While that's cooking in the pan, let's make a thick coconut milk paste, for which I have about 2 tablespoons of coconut milk powder in the same bowl I made the paste in, and I am going to add about half a cup of water and make a thick coconut milk paste like this, and I'm going to add this to my cooked prawns. Now give this a good stir and let the sauce come to a boil. Remember to not make the coconut milk thin, keep it thick and saucy, because now the prawn fry is going to be moist and supple and absolutely delicious. Look at that creamy saucy goodness. It's absolutely delicious. Please give this a try and let me know how you liked it. Until next bite, stay hungry, stay healthy. Bye.